Hey, what's up ComSci community? I'm back with day number 17 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. So today I took a little bit of a break from the Salon website and I worked on a little bit of practice in Team Treehouse and I learned more about some advanced selectors. So all of the practice that I did today was on a simple HTML form. So you can see what it looks like here before I started adding the styles to it. It's really basic. So the first thing that I did was I added some general styles with the selectors that I'm already used to using, such as the class and the ID selectors. The next thing that I did was change the background color of the email field by targeting the input type of email. So you can see that this is the only field that actually has a different background color because it only applies to the type of email. Then I learned more about the DRY principles, which stands for Don't Repeat Yourself. And this is going to help reduce your CSS, which makes your website not only more scalable, but it also makes it faster. So I'm definitely going to take those concepts and I'm going to apply it to the portfolio project that I built. I'm going to go back through and refactor that CSS and also add some more features, at the very least a contact form. And the last thing that I learned about was using combinators when defining a selector, such as the child, the adjacent, or the general sibling selector. Alright, well that's it for today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of these. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.